Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box.
I think it's what the fact.
You want me to do that?
I think you have
All
to.
right, we're going to go back. I'm going to do fact.
One take.
All right. Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box. It's a show where we're going to take 1 to 3 minutes to show you guys, the retailers across the South, the products that you guys buy from us, literally what comes in the box. Idea was brought up by the questions you guys ask our salespeople every day. So today I've got Eric with me. Eric, what'd you bring along?
How you doing? That's right. We've got the Nest Hello Video Doorbell today. This is a very cool product. So this is their version of the video doorbell that's out there. Allows you guys to see who's at the front door, talk back and forth to the front door. Pretty excited about this. Looking forward to popping it open.
Cool. Let's take a look at the packaging. Something we want to always talk to you guys about is the outside of the packaging, what it looks like. Stackable, so something you guys can get into your trucks really easily. If it's something you guys want to use in your showrooms, it's got a very nice retail package. Something I do want to call out on it. I think it's a good touch by Nest. If you look on the side where the pull tab is to open it, you'll see that it does recommend a professional installation. They do have a pro channel. If you're not part of it, you should definitely get signed up for it. They would actually refer a lot of those leads out to you guys. So without further ado, we'll kind of pull our tab here, and we're going to get started on unboxing out the Nest camera. Eric's going to go ahead and give us a nice little description of everything we have to see here. So
That's right. So we've got the actual hardware for the video doorbell. This is a very, very nice design, very aesthetically nice compared to some of the other ones out there that are very boxy. Super nice. Absolutely. It also comes with a... Oh, you're opening, so I don't want to talk about the wedge yet till we get to the wedge. What do we got in here? Unboxing and unpackaging. So we've got the set up your Nest Hello with the Nest app. It's a really quick setup. You've got a cling for the window that you can do here, and terms and conditions. At my tender age of 44, I can't read this fine print.
some good stuff here for your customers. Obviously, this is a nice touch for the security part of the Nest Hello, and then there's some good weight and heft to this piece as well. But we'll go ahead and keep going through what comes with the product. So
Yeah. I forgot what this is.
that connects to the chime. That's actually the
Thank
connection
you.
piece for the chime. So this is something that's a little different on the Nest Hello compared to a lot of the other doorbells. It actually does have a component that goes at the chime. This is a really neat piece for you to talk about for your customers. One of the big features on this is it does allow for better connectivity. So a lot of the guys that have complaints about the connectivity with their doorbells, this is a good piece to stop that.
Beautiful job, Drew.
Good thing there's two. of
Very
these.
nice. That's right. This, I believe, is the angular piece that'll allow you to take that doorbell. Good thing we don't have to resell this. Oh my God. It's not. It's the tools, it's drill bits, it's connectors, tabs. We got all kinds of stuff in here. Parts, pieces, and miscellaneous accessories, we'll call that.
So we'll run through a couple things here. These are your anchors for your wall kits. This is an extender to do some of the wiring. This is actually your lock and key for your Nest Hello. It actually has a little insert pin on the bottom down here that you can insert this little key into to pop it off the wall if you ever need to do any maintenance. And this is an actual drill bit to use, the concrete drill bit to drill through the concrete if you need to.
I think it's a head scratcher.
Eric's got it for a head scratcher. Now, Eric did mention an angular piece. This is a good piece to call out. So this is an extra add-on for most doorbells, but Nest does supply it inside. It can be used to be a left or a right angle, and that's for a situation where the doorbell may not have a clear view of your front door. So really good add-on piece here, and then this is the overall bracket for the actual Hello to lock into.
So I know that this is really about a what's in the box specifically, but probably the nicest thing about this product, the reason that we're so excited about it, it's got HDR. So when you're looking at guys in shadows that are standing out the front door, it really cleans up the detail really nicely. It's got the 4x3 image, so when you're looking at the front door with some of the other ones, they've got that widescreen format. Big tall guys like us, It's going to chop off the top of our heads, which considering we're both balding, that's not a terrible thing.
It's not great up here.
Nest also does the facial recognition, which is super cool. So when people come to your house that it's seen before and you've keyed in names, you get that update, right? You don't just get a random, hey, some person's at your front door.
So it'll actually say, hey, Drew's at the front door for
It's cool, right? So I don't have to go fumbling for my phone to know that it's you or the Amazon guy or whatever it is. It is important to remind people that there's no battery operation on this, so it's got to be specifically for wired-only situations.
Cool.
So
quick summary, everything we got here for you guys. Again, you've got the bracket. This is the piece that the actual Nest will clip into. We have the angle. This bracket would sit on top of this if you needed to angle it out. You do have your wall anchors. This is a piece of the connector to get an extension if you need extension. You've got your auger and your drill bits. You've got your key. You've got another cable extender here if you needed it, and then you've got your chime connection kit, and then 2 screws that'll actually screw into the wall once you actually have your anchors in. So everything's pretty much all inclusive. Really excited about this. There's a good opportunity for you guys. We are actually giving this away to a viewer, so if you guys are interested in and you're a Dow retailer, please comment below with your Dow retailer number. We're going to take all the retailers that enter into this, and we're going to raffle off this actual Hello. Eric's going to sign it, so it's actually going to be less valuable than before, but it'll still be exciting for you guys. Also, we really wanted to give a big shout out to Google and Nest. They actually provided this with us for you guys, so big thank you to those guys, Adil and the guys over there. If you would, if you like what we're doing here, please subscribe and like our video. We really hope to see you guys next time.
See you guys.
See you later.